XA, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are just looking at a couple of questions in here, not too crazy. All questions, we have a circle whose center is at the origin. We are basically required to get the equation of each of those circles. So let's start with the first one. The center is at the origin. As you can see, we are required to get the equation. So because the center is at the origin, the standard equation is actually x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. And we are given a point. All we need to do is just substitute that point so that we can know what our r squared is equals to. As you can see, this is negative 3 squared plus 2 squared. That is actually 13, and that will be equals to your r squared. As a result, you can now write the final equation of this circle as x squared plus y squared equals to 13. That is for A, and it's done just like that. Okay, and then let's look at the second one, which is B. With B, what is happening? Sorry, we are given only this point. The coordinates of that point, what are they? The x is negative 11, the y is 0, as you can see. So now to get the equation, again the center is at the origin, therefore this is the standard equation rather, and therefore now we can substitute that point. The x is square root of 11, and then you square that plus y, which is 0 squared equals to r squared. As a result, 11 is actually equals to your r squared. Therefore now to write the final equation for the circle is just x squared plus y squared equals to 11. That's basically it. You are done. Just gonna erase that. Then we look at C. Okay, C, what is happening? Again, we're just given one point there, and the center is still at the origin, so the standard equation still remains x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. Then substituting that point, we have 1 as the x, we square that, and the y is negative 6, then we square that, then we just write that r squared like that. 1 squared plus negative 6 squared. What is negative 6 squared? Negative 6 squared, if my mind says me, well, it's something like 36, but I'm just going to confirm. It is actually 36 plus 1, which is 37. That is equals to your r squared. Therefore, now to write the final equation is just x squared plus y squared equals to 37. That is the final equation. Again, we are erasing. We are looking at D. Okay, with D, what is happening? We are given 2 points, as you can see, but we can just use one of the 2 points. It will still be fine. However, from these 2 points, you can already tell that your r is also given by 3, because that's basically from here to here it's 3, or from here to here it's 3. So you know your r is 3, so your equation is x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. When you know that r is 3, you can just substitute 3 there, and then you know that this is the simplest or the shortest way to get your equation. That is your equation, then you are done. Okay, or you could have done it the same way we have done this others A, B, and C, by substituting one of the points, maybe negative 3 and 0, or this is actually that point, not this one, because this one will actually be 0 and negative 3, like that. So you can just substitute one of the points, and then you can still be able to get the equation of the circle with center at the origin.